Wait. For your next mission, you versus Ammo. Are you sure I can handle the red guy? Yeah. Trust me. You got guts. Okay. I gotta go find one. Somewhere perfect we can fight. Come on. We meet again at last, red guy. You still under his control? Fight it! Fight! Fight it! Wherever it takes, I'm gonna break the turtle grip off of you. Ugh. Why would you fall down? You see, I'm indestructible. You see, that's why I'm so big and red. Ow. You got to fight it. The turtle has sold me the light. I belong with the turtle now. No, you don't. You don't belong with no one besides us. You don't tell me what to do. Laser eyes. Ah! Just where to learn the laser eyes. The turtle gave me these cool powers. And now I'm gonna crush you like a rat you are. Yeah. God was wait, impossible. I'm too big to be knocked out like that. Wait. I'm still standing. Don't hurt. What's that? Ow! I can reflect any attack to throw at me back. I'm on this face. You out of your league. Ow! You lost. The ammo you knew is gone forever. I don't believe that. I will say you, ammo. We broke that griff off of you the last time you turned evil. You will do it. Help me. So, we're over here now. We'll break the grip again. Tally ho. Bring it.